This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. You see that the EV6 now, the new version, is more or less identical with the old. Just happened to also be with winter tire, but just different tire, slightly different rim size also. But yeah, why was it a bit slower? Maybe because it weighs 20 kilograms extra, but the power output is exactly the same. So at least there you don't get any upgrade. But when it comes to noise, there you get a great upgrade. You see here we have 64 decibel average for winter tire. Also, okay, I have to say that the Nyland R5 EV tires, they're known to be quiet. I also noticed that lots of EVs now, press cars, they get them. You can actually see it in the list here. And they have acoustic foam in it, so I mean, how much does it help? Maybe wild guess, 1 decibel extra. But you can see how far up on the list it is, actually on the very top. And then how was it all? Okay, so remember this is around 64 decibel here. So if you scroll down here a bit, you will find the all EV6. Actually, I have to scroll down quite a lot. Here you see that was a rear wheel drive. And then further down, we also have the all-wheel drive, and that's 67 decibels. Nyland R3, okay, they have a bit of humming noise, but still, that's around 3 decibel noisier. So there you guys have it. If you want better comfort and better noise, get the new Kia EV6. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.